Urbanlight is a public art installation located on Wilshire Boulevard in Los Angeles, California. It was created by the American artist Chrisburden and was first displayed in 2008. This installation consists of 202 vintage street lamps, which are arranged in a grid formation and are lit up at night. The street lamps, which were manufactured in the 1920s and 1930s, were collected from various locations across Southern California. Urbanlight is a landmark piece of public art in Los Angeles, and has become a popular tourist destination for visitors and locals alike. The installation has a strong presence in the city, and is considered to be one of the most recognizable landmarks in Los Angeles. It has been featured in various films, television shows, and advertisements, and has become an iconic symbol of the city's cultural heritage. The installation is not just aesthetically pleasing, but it also has a deeper meaning and symbolism. The street lamps, which were once used to light up the streets of Los Angeles, have been transformed into a work of art that symbolizes the city's transformation and renewal. Urbanlight has been widely acclaimed by the public and critics alike for its beauty and impact. The installation is considered to be one of the best examples of public art in the city, and has won several awards for its design and construction. The work is also praised for its ability to bring people together and create a sense of community. The installation is a popular gathering place for visitors and locals, who often gather to admire its beauty and enjoy the surrounding park. Urbanlight is also known for its environmental impact. The installation is lit up using energy-efficient LED lights, which are much more environmentally friendly than traditional street lamps. Urbanlight has become a popular backdrop for events, ceremonies, and photo shoots. Its bright lights and beautiful setting make it an ideal location for a variety of events, including wedding ceremonies, fashion shoots, and more. Many people have used the installation as a background for their wedding photos, making it a popular location for romantic moments. Urbanlight is located in the heart of Los Angeles, near the Los Angeles County Museum of Art, LACMA. This location makes it easily accessible to visitors, who can take a stroll through the surrounding park, admire the street lamps, and explore the nearby museum. The LACMA is one of the largest art museums in the United States, and its collections include over 150,000 works of art, spanning from ancient times to the present day. The installation is free and open to the public, making it accessible to everyone. The park surrounding the installation is also open to the public, offering a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. The installation is often used as a backdrop for fundraising events, and local organizations often host events in the park to raise money for important causes. These events bring people together and create a sense of community, making the installation a truly special place in the hearts of many Los Angeles residents. It is worth mentioning that the installation is maintained and preserved by LACMA, ensuring that the street lamps will continue to shine brightly for many years to come. The museum's commitment to preserving and maintaining the installation is a testament to its importance as a landmark piece of public art in Los Angeles. Urbanlight is a landmark public art installation in Los Angeles that has become an iconic symbol of the city's cultural heritage and transformation. Its beauty and impact have made it one of the best examples of public art in the city, and a popular destination for visitors and locals alike. Its accessibility and sustainability have made it a truly special place in the city. Whether you are looking for a romantic backdrop, a place to gather with friends and family, or a peaceful escape from the city, Urbanlight is sure to offer an experience you won't forget. Hope the video was insightful. Thanks for watching. For more valuable content, please subscribe to this channel.